Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the clock position on lock screen in a VIVO phone. So in here, what you need to do first is go to the settings on your phone, and after that scroll down and tap on the lock screen and wallpaper option. Okay, so after this, if you want to customize only the clock, you can go to the lock screen settings and here click on custom clock and then click on the clock option. Then here you can change the color, you can change the clock phone, and also you can change the clock date and style. Okay, for example, here you can go back, click on apply. And if you want to change the position, you can go to the theme options in here, and in here click on download more. So under the theme here, you'll just find or download the theme that you want, the clock positions that you want. You can see each of the theme has have a different like clock position. There are the one on the top, the one at the sides like this, and also the one at the center. So you can just find the one that you want, click on the theme and click on purchase now, or click on get for free. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.